So how to delete your YouTube channel permanently or hide your YouTube channel? So for that, first you need to go youtube.com/account. Then click on view advanced settings and click on delete channel. Click here. You need to access again. So if you want to hide, then you select I want to hide my channel, and if you want to delete permanently with your content, all content, then press this. So I want to hide, then check out all and hide my channel, hide also, hide my content also. Click. Channel, hide it. Okay, thank you guys, hope you enjoy.